In this video, I'm going to show you how to send videos on Discord. So if your video is too large to upload directly, don't worry because I'll show you an easy way to share it with anyone on Discord. Now the first thing you need to do is open up your internet browser. Once your browser is open, head over to Google and make sure you're signed in to your Google account. After that, click on the Google Apps icon in the top right corner of the screen and select Google Drive from the list of apps. Once Google Drive opens, click on the New button on the left-hand side and then select File Upload. Now choose the video that you want to send through Discord and wait for it to finish uploading. Depending on the size of your video and your internet speed, this may take a few moments. Once the upload is complete, refresh Google Drive if necessary, and you should see your video appear in your files. Now click on the three dots next to the video and select Share. In the sharing window, look for the General Access section. Click on the drop-down menu and change it from Restricted to Anyone with the link. After that, click Copy Link and then select Done. Now head back over to Discord and open the chat, server, or direct message where you want to share the video. Simply paste the Google Drive link into the message box and send it. Anyone who receives the link will be able to open it and watch the video directly in their browser without needing the original file on their device. This method is especially useful for large videos that exceed Discord's upload limit, and it works on both desktop and mobile devices. And that's how you can send videos on Discord quickly and easily. If this video helped you out, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Discord tutorials and tech guides.